So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you from Eclipse how to export project in GIF format. So follow me. I will show you how to make a GIF file of your project. So just right click on your project, correct? Then after click on export, correct? Now choose over here export. So over here in the general you expand this one, then after what you have to do, just select what archive file is not given. So over here archive file is given now. So these options you have to choose, and then after what you have to do, you have to select on next. Getting my point? Now after selecting next, what you have to do, just you have to choose the project, which project you want to make a GIF, correct or not? So over here by default it is selected, right? Because I have right clicked on the project, that's why it is by default selected, correct or not? Now after what I have to do, see, GIF format is already selected, right? Nothing you have to do, just you have to click. But before that you have to choose the path where you want to archive this file, correct or not? So I'm trying to save in some folder. This folder, suppose coding interview, I'm trying to save it, correct? On file name, let me type the file name, the same file name, register complete, register complaint, web application, that's it, and save. So on this location we'll go and we'll check over there, correct or not? Let me finish it. So let me come in the same folder, music, this one, and see, it is in the GIF format, correct or not? Yes. And if you want to see it once again, just what you have to do, just simply one thing, right click on this, and then after you will have one option, WinRAR. Over there what you have to do, just simply extract it over here, and you will be getting all folder of your project over here, and you are in a position to see over here, right? This project folder got created over here from this GIF file. Getting my point? And now see, all these files are available. We'll go in the src main web app, and we can check it over here, css images, webinf, and all these what GS which files are available or not. Yes. So the thing is, why it is important to make that GSP. Suppose if you would have that project which will have a very heavy weight, correct or not? Heavy weight in the sense means what? Heavy size. If you are working on the real time project, that will have the size beyond the 500 MB or like that, correct or not? And sending it over the email, it is not possible, correct or not? So in that case we have to make it as a GIF format, because GIF is what? Compressed file, right? So 500 MB it will become like approx 7 MB or 8 MB. Getting my point or not? And sharing that one is very easy over there. So that's all. Thank you. Bye.